Save more today. Number 1. Starting your day by checking your finances builds awareness and helps you stay in control of your money decisions from the very beginning. Number 2. Setting a daily spending limit on your banking app creates a clear boundary that keeps your expenses under control throughout the day. Number 3. Watching your remaining daily budget decrease in real time makes you more conscious of every dollar you spend. Number 4. Choosing a generic brand instead of a premium product is a simple but powerful way to save money without sacrificing real value. Number 5. Comparing similar products before buying helps you make smarter decisions and avoid unnecessary overspending. Number 6. Putting back an expensive item on the shelf shows discipline and proves you are in control of your money, not your emotions. Number 7. Using a calculator while shopping keeps you aware of your total spending and prevents surprises at checkout. Number 8. Splitting bills smartly with apps ensures you only pay your share and avoid spending more than necessary. Number 9. Closing online sale pop-ups immediately helps you avoid emotional decisions and unnecessary purchases. Number 10. Turning off shopping notifications removes constant temptation and reduces impulse buying habits. Number 11. Unfollowing shopping pages helps you stay focused on your goals instead of being influenced by marketing. Number 12. Choosing to watch financial education content instead of ads improves your mindset and builds better money habits. Number 13. Writing weekly financial goals makes your saving plan clear and gives you direction. Number 14. Breaking big goals into small daily targets makes saving easier and more achievable over time. Number 15. Watching your progress bar grow slowly gives motivation and reinforces consistency. Number 16. Using a simple envelope system helps you control spending by assigning a fixed amount for each category. Number 17. Counting your remaining weekly cash builds discipline and forces you to think before spending. Number 18. Skipping unnecessary outings is a smart decision that directly increases your savings. Number 19. Choosing free activities instead of paid entertainment allows you to enjoy life without damaging your finances. Number 20. Spending time productively at home reduces the chances of unnecessary spending. Number 21. Repairing items instead of replacing them saves money and builds a smarter financial mindset. Number 22. Reusing items creatively reduces waste and helps you get more value from what you already own. Number 23. Planning a shopping list before leaving home prevents random and emotional purchases. Number 24. Following your shopping list strictly keeps your spending focused and controlled. Number 25. Avoiding unnecessary aisles in stores protects you from distractions and impulse buying triggers. Number 26. Using a timer before making a purchase gives your mind time to think logically instead of emotionally. Number 27. Checking your bank balance before buying anything keeps your decisions grounded in reality. Number 28. Setting reminders like, "Do I really need this?" helps you question your spending habits. Number 29. Using cashback and rewards smartly helps you save money on purchases you already planned. Number 30. Reviewing your monthly savings progress helps you understand what is working and what needs improvement. Number 31. Adjusting your budget based on past mistakes helps you improve continuously. Number 32. Avoiding late-night phone use reduces impulsive spending decisions. Number 33. Practicing mindful spending keeps you calm and focused while making financial decisions. Number 34. Saying, "Not today," to unnecessary purchases builds strong financial discipline. Number 35. Saving money before spending ensures your future is always protected. Number 36. Transferring money to savings immediately after income builds a powerful saving habit. Number 37. Treating your savings as untouchable protects your long-term financial goals. Number 38. Visualizing long-term growth helps you stay motivated and committed to saving. Number 39. Feeling proud of your discipline builds confidence and reinforces positive habits. Number 40. Small daily decisions create big financial results over time, so stay consistent and focused on your goals. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe for more smart money tips, and share it with someone who wants to save more starting today.